I had the benefit of attending and participating in a forest climate adaptation training that was put on by the Northern Institute for Applied Climate Sciences, and that helped us, look through the lens and consider some of the vulnerabilities that we might see on our property in a changing climate scenario. So the training that I participated in really framed sort of three different forest climate adaptation approaches that you could pursue where you work. And one is a kind of defensive strategy where you're trying to protect a valuable natural resource asset that you don't want to see diminished by climate change. For example, if you have a sugar bush of sugar maples, that's a species that's projected to see challenges in a warming climate scenario, you could take steps to try to protect that, since there's a lot of cultural value to continuing to be able to have a maple tapping operation, as indeed we have in a couple places on our property. Then there's a more broad strategy that you could describe as resilience, diversity, that whole diversified investment portfolio, not having all your eggs in one basket. By maintaining that diversity, you'll likely come out better, whatever climate in future decades might bring. And then finally, there's a more aggressive approach that's sometimes described as transition, in which you can help the forest change its composition to what a future species composition might include. And this concept is called assisted migration. There's some pretty spirited discussion about it among foresters and land managers, but I think it's interesting, and this project affords us an opportunity to actively experiment with that and participate in the dialogue and be part of a network of land managers and scientists who are working on this issue. And we're going to learn about what works and what doesn't work in trying to develop leading edge practices that we can share with others.